Hi, my name is Maddie, and I'm studying Biology and Kinesiology at Butler University. I've been using Genio for about a year, and before I often found it hard to keep track of important points and stay organized with the amount of information being covered in my classes. If I got stressed out, my brain would totally shut down, and I would have to spend hours after class going back through the material that I missed, and that consumed a lot of my free time and caused a lot of stress and anxiety. Genio gives me a way to review material in a clearer and more structured format, which makes it a lot easier to focus on the main ideas instead of getting lost in all the details of the material. It also helps me go back to topics I might have missed in class and process them at my own pace. With Genio, learning has definitely felt less overwhelming, and I'm able to stay engaged and retain information from my classes. My grades have significantly improved, and I have a much better work-life balance.